In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use meeting notes template in Confluence. By the end, you'll be able to capture clear, consistent notes that keep your team aligned and accountable. Start by navigating to the Confluence space where you want your meeting notes to live. This keeps everything organized by team or project. Click Create and in the template gallery, search for meeting notes. Select it, then click Use Template. You'll see a pre-formatted page with sections for agendas, notes, decisions, and action items. This saves time and ensures nothing important gets missed. At the top of the page, fill in the essentials. Enter a concise meeting title, set the date and time, list your attendees, and add the meeting objective. Keeping these details accurate makes the page easy to find later, and gives everyone instant context for why the meeting exists and what it aims to achieve. Next, move to the agenda section. Add your discussion points in the order you plan to cover them. If you have a tight schedule, include time allocations to keep the conversation on track. For deeper context, link to related Confluence pages, such as project briefs, sprint boards, or previous meeting notes, so participants can quickly reference background material without leaving the page. Quick note before we continue. I've added a link to Confluence at the top of the description so you can open it right away and follow along. As the meeting gets underway, capture key discussion points in the notes or decisions area. Keep it concise and when needed, use bullet points to make items scannable. Be sure to clearly highlight any decisions that are made so they stand out during review. If you want to track the state of a decision or a follow-up item, insert the status macro and choose a label like To Do, In Progress, or Done. When it's time to assign follow-ups, type /task to create tasks directly on the page. Assign each task to a team member, add a clear description, and set a due date. These tasks can be rolled up later using the task report macro, making it easy to see progress across meetings. Once the meeting wraps, click Publish. Share the page link with attendees and any stakeholders who need visibility. If immediate action is required, tag team members right on the page using mentions so they get notified. To get comfortable with the layout and features, try creating a test meeting note first and practice adding agendas, notes, and tasks. Consistent documentation builds accountability and makes every meeting more productive. Thanks for watching.